Be well, more than just a goodbye. Hello to all our wonderful language learners out there. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard often, be well. What does it mean? When and how should you use it? Let's explore together. Be well is made up of two words. 1. Be, a verb which is in the imperative form here, suggesting a command or a wish. 2. Well, an adjective that means in good health or free from illness. Together, they form a wish or hope that someone remains in good health or takes care of themselves. Be well is often used as a parting phrase, similar to saying goodbye or take care. It expresses a genuine desire for the other person's well-being. Examples: 1. After a casual meeting with a friend, you might say, be well. Let's catch up again soon. 2. At the end of an email or letter, especially during challenging times, one might write, hoping you stay safe and be well. It's worth noting that while be well can be used in many contexts, it's more commonly used in more intimate or caring situations. Over the years, especially with the rise of health and wellness trends, the phrase, be well, has become more prevalent. It's not just about physical health but also emotional and mental well-being. In the age of mindfulness and holistic health, saying, be well, carries with it a deeper sentiment of wishing overall wellness upon someone. Moreover, during global challenges or crises, such as pandemics, this phrase becomes even more relevant, reflecting a collective desire for health and safety. So the next time you hear or use the phrase, be well, remember that it's not just a simple goodbye. It's a heartfelt wish for someone's overall well-being. We hope this explanation has shed light on this beautiful expression. Until next time, dear learners, be well and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.